Waffles.Cheekyricho Cooking's unboxing and cooking of a vertical waffle. This is the new appliance, a Sunbeam vertical waffle. It makes it square waffles. You can make them into 1, 2, 3 or 4s. It has a shade selector with 5 grades. You can choose from 5 different waffle shades, so you can go from really quite a soft blonde waffle to a crispier waffle, which you can use as a sandwich. It's easy filled, no mess, doesn't make any mess on your counter at all. It's got a screen countdown with a timer, and the only accessory it comes with is a measuring cup. Stands like a bookend in your cupboard. The funnel on the top of it is actually quite hot when it's cooking, and so there's a warning there to keep your hands away from that. It comes with some instructions, a 12-month warranty, and of course care instructions, hints for tasty waffles, and a few recipes. Alright, let's see what we've got here. It's a little bit exciting. There's our measuring cup. Quite sturdy, got a fluted non-slip lid and quite a soft feeling handle on it. Okay. As non-stick plates, you can use it for things other than waffles obviously, and I will be doing that. You know I can't help myself with that. Alright, here's what we have. And that's the size. That's my hand. That's the size of the waffles. Fairly positive action. You press the button, drop it down. The waffle will fall down into there. You fill it from above. It has a timer here. It has fluffy to light and dark to crispy. You can turn that dial around. 5 different settings apparently, so it's off at the moment. I'm going to put that to one side and make our waffle batter. So I'm not going to preheat that at this stage. This is the size of it. It is between 840 and 1000 watts. Obviously, being an electrical appliance, you can't put it into water, but to clean it is quite simple. You wipe the plates out with a damp piece of paper towel or a fresh damp dishcloth. Okay, and that's how much space it takes up. Probably about the size of a toaster on its end. Here's our waffle mix. Alright, to our mixing bowl we're going to add our flour, baking powder, sugar. We're making a sweet waffle this time. Good grind of fresh ground salt. Mix it all through. Our wet ingredients are an egg, milk and some melted butter. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is gently whisk our egg to break up our yolk. Nice fresh free range egg there. Nice large one. Break that up. Okay, to our full fat milk, we're just going to add a little dash of some apple cider vinegar. It makes a nice crisp waffle. We don't have to do this, but I think it works very well with pancakes. In the absence of buttermilk, just going to add our, you'll see it's starting to clot already. There's our milk and egg mixed together. This is not my kitchen. Put this in with our flour mixture. Now we need this to be quite a wet batter. Now we want this just mixed. It does not need to be aerated at all, but the action of the vinegar and the baking powder will be our leavening with our egg. Okay, so now just tip in our melted butter and just fold that through. Okay, you have to wash your little measuring cup with some fresh soapy water and dry it. You've got to rub your plates with some oil. The first time that you use it, I'm just using coconut oil here. I don't use olive oil on non-stick appliances, nor is it recommended that you use spray oil on appliances. So this is, you only have to do this the first time that you do it. Rub that well over. Okay, now turn it on. Keep your fingers away from this hot edge up here, and we're going to turn it on. It's preheating. We're going to go with 3 to start with. This is the first attempt at waffles in my new Sunbeam vertical waffle maker, and it's saying on the little display here that it's preheating. Just going to fold our butter through our batter, butter up that batter, and from time to time while you're cooking your waffles, just give it a light mix to make sure it's well combined. Pour our batter into our measuring cup. We've got 1 cup full here, and that gets poured in the top. Still preheating. Okay, it's come up to the ready to cook. We're just going to pour our batter in the top. Don't let anything touch that because it gets very hot. Make sure you get all the batter in there. Don't overfill it, and it'll tell you when it's ready. Counting down from 5 minutes. Getting quite bubbly. More to the measuring cup. There is a line in the measuring cup. Let's to go to that. 4 minutes to go. To go. And that's what we should have. We'll leave a handle up here because I did overfill it. This is the prototype, so we'll just see how it goes coming out. Down you go. Alrighty. Perfect waffle, look at that. Didn't stick at all. Cut this handle off. Don't need that. And ice cream here. Okay. Ice cream, strawberries, a drizzle of maple syrup. And there you have it. Let's have a try, shall we? Nice and crispy. Light and fluffy inside, crispy on the outside. See that? Have a little taste, shall we? Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching. Okay, second one's cooked. Haven't filled it quite as much, and you can see that it hasn't got such a big handle on it. I'm just going to let this flop out onto our plate. There we go. Close it up for the next round, then we'll immediately start preheating. Okay, so there's our little waffle. A lot of ice cream on the top there. And some of our maple syrup. Don't mind a bit of waffle with my maple syrup. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cookings, berry and ice cream waffles, cooked in the Sunbeam Vertical Waffle Maker. Thanks for watching. And don't panic if you don't have enough batter to make a full complete waffle, because it will make a half a waffle with a little appetizer.